Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how you can basically log in to the DeepSeek or how you can make a new account on DeepSeek. So first of all, make sure that you have downloaded and installed the DeepSeek from your App Store or your Google Play Store, and then you can just simply tap on DeepSeek here, and now here you can see that we can basically use our email or our phone number and the password to log in. But here you can see that we can basically sign in with Google and sign in with Apple ID as well. So it basically depends upon you. So here you can see that I will just simply tap on this option where it says sign in with Google. Tap on it and then tap on agree and then tap on continue, and it will show me all the list of my Gmail account. So I will just simply tap on the first one here, tap here, and then again tap on continue, and now it will basically log in. So here you can see that now I have successfully logged in into the DeepSeek, and now I can basically give any prompt here and it will basically give the information about that prompt to me. Okay, so that's how you can basically make an account on DeepSeek on your Android and iPhone, and this also goes same for the desktop version as well. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will meet you in the next video.